Hi, today I'm going to show you how can you manage phone calls from your One More stylish wireless headphones. Let's get started. So firstly we have to remove our One More headphones from our case, just like this. Now we have to scroll down to control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth, and as you can see we are now connected with One More NC TWS. We have to click on our gear icon and we can allow phone calls to allow. As you can see, it's now done. We can manage our phone calls. That's it. Leave a comment, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.